In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file in a chat using Microsoft Teams Essentials. Sharing files in Teams is a fundamental part of collaborating effectively, allowing for the seamless exchange of information and resources, whether you're working remotely or in the office. So let's dive in and explore the simple process together. To get started, first, make sure you're signed into your Microsoft Teams account. This will ensure you have all the necessary access to your chats and files. If you're not sure how to sign in, simply go to the Teams Live portal and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the familiar Teams interface. This is your hub for communication and collaboration, featuring all the chats, meetings, and team channels you are involved with. Now, to share a file within a chat, look for the chat window where you want this transaction to happen. You might be part of several ongoing conversations, so select the correct one to avoid confusion. In your chat interface, take a look at the text input box, where you usually type messages. At the bottom of this window, you'll notice several icons. Among these is a paperclip icon, which is your gateway to sharing a file. Click on the paperclip icon to proceed. This step opens up various options for adding attachments. You may notice a few different choices here, such as uploading from your computer or selecting a file from your OneDrive if you use cloud storage. For this instance, let's focus on uploading directly from your device. This option is perfect for quick shares of documents or images stored locally on your computer. After clicking the paperclip, a menu will pop up with Upload from this device as one of the key options. Select this to open your File Explorer, where you can navigate through your folders to locate the file you wish to share. It's important to note here, choosing the right file format that your audience can access and utilize is crucial. Once you've found and selected your file, click Open and it will automatically begin uploading within your chat. Once the file finishes uploading, you'll see it appear in the chat window, ready to send. Before you hit the send button, take a moment to add any messages or comments if necessary, to provide context or instructions for your recipient. This can be particularly helpful if the file is large or if it's a document requiring feedback or revisions. When you're satisfied with your message and file attachment, simply press enter or click the send icon. And that's it, your file is now shared and accessible to the other participants in the chat. This method of sharing ensures everyone stays on the same page, literally, and can significantly improve your team's productivity. This wraps up our tutorial for the day. Mastering these essential skills will empower you to collaborate more efficiently within your team, making communication smoother and your workflow more cohesive. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.